Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you the website that I built this month, and it's an e-commerce site where you can be selling your laptops and other gadgets like mobile phones also, and you can upload any different types of laptops, the product and the brand. So if you are really going to be liking what you are going to watch here, please do well to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and let's get into the next level. Alright, so this is the project that I built this January. I started it last year December, late December. Then I finished it up around last week. So it's a Dustin Tech Hub where you can upload any types of laptops. You can go here and see all laptops. You can go here and see HP, Dell, Acer, and more and more. And it also supports white theme, and it also supports dark theme. And you can also know that we have banner 1, and we also know we have banner 2, and you can also write any name that you literally want here. And another sweetest part is that you can search for any laptops that you are looking for, as far as that the laptop is available on the store. And if you also go down to, you can shop by categories, you can shop by all laptops, you can shop by HP product, and you can also shop by Dell product. And if you go down, you can see the features items where you can see the features laptops that they included. These Dell Latitude, and these are also Dell Latitude. So don't get me this wrong, this is a testing site. This testing site where you can test everything. So alright, so how this works is that, for example, now if you go over here, let me say I want to look for this laptop now. Then if I want to look for this laptop now, then I now posted it here, and I paste it here, then I now hit the enter. Then because I'm using localhost, so I'm running it on my localhost machine. It was built with Nextjs and Chassis UI. Nextjs for writing the logic complexity of the application. Then Chassis UI for designing all the whole stuff here, with this card, buttons and stuff like that. So this is it. Now any laptop that you search, as far as that is available on the store, is going to be bringing out for you one items. And this how the thing is. You can be seeing this only the laptop that we already uploaded in this website, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload other laptops. So if you can see, it's Dell Latitude. So once you click learn more, is practically going to be telling you the features of the laptop, and you can also see other images of the laptops. So this is a Dell Latitude 3550, and this is how it is. So you can see that we have processor, that's Intel Core i3 4th generation, stuff, backlight, HDMI port, and you can also add cards also. Then if you go down, you can see that we have features items also, stuffs like that. So alright, and if you head over to all laptops now, basically it's only 2 laptops that we already uploaded, and we are going to be uploading more in this video. And if you head over to HP, we haven't uploaded anything in HP, and the same thing with Acer, we haven't uploaded anything in Acer, but we already uploaded something in Dell laptop. And if you come to more, we have Lenovo, MSI, Chromebook, Apple, Asus, and mobile phones. And remember, it supports dark theme also. Alright, so users can create an account, because I added using a third-party site which is Kendo. Kendo is a third-party site which handles my authentications. And with this, I can know how many total users that have already created an account on this very application. And also, let's say that we will be creating an account, but I already have an account already, so I have to sign in the account that I already have, so which I'm going to be clicking on the sign in. And and also all the whole behind the scenes are working over here in this terminal, because I'm running it on my local machine. All right, we are going to be waiting for it. So I'm going to be including my email address. Then I'm now going to hit continue. So they are going to send me a code to my email address. So I already have my email address opened. So this is it, laptop dusting email verification code. Then I have to go here, copy it and paste it for confirmation. Then I have to click confirm. Then once it is confirmed, it's going to be, I think, redirecting me to the home page. It is redirecting me to the home page. The backend, what I use and created the backend where it can be storing every data, stuff like that, is Supabase. We use Supabase for it, and we have only 7 tables for it. And if you go over to the if you go over to the tables, we have banner, we have cart, we have cart items, we have other products and user. And if you head over to the user, I think I'm having network issue. Yeah, can see this is it. So this is the account that created before. This is the account that I created before, and this is my profile. This is my profile that I got from Google Image, and also this is the timestamp, the same thing. I think this was when someone was helping me to test the application. Yeah. And also product. If you head over to product, you have these are 2 products that were already uploaded. And the same thing, I think order. Yeah, we already did some ordering, so which is very, very successful. And also I'm going to be showing you everything here in this tutorial. And the same thing with cart items. There is nothing in cart items, but in cart, yeah, we have something there. Then on banner, those 2 banners that you see in the home page, yeah, this is it. And we are going to be uploading a banner too. So Prisma migrate, this when I'll be push a Prisma like a table, then it's going to do some migration in the database. So it's only once that I did a migration. That's it here. All right, so this is how it is now. And you can see now we have my account, which is Victory, and this is my email address. And you notice we have a cart. Now we have a cart now. All right, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add more laptops. You don't need to go over to the code. We already had an admin dashboard for that. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to add more laptops and more devices, more gadgets to this particular site if you are selling, if you want to own an e-commerce website. All right, so how I did that is that if you head over to slash dashboard, and if you head over to slash dashboard, it's going to bring you to the dashboard page. Why does this happen? So I'm going to be bringing out my VS Code to explain how exactly this happened. So here in this code, I write get user, then it's going to get a Kindle server section, from the Kindle. Then I wrote it that if user email, is this email address, then redirect them to the dashboard. So that means I have to log in my email address, which is henrydustin95. So what it means is that it's only this email address that can have access to the dashboard. No other email address can have access to the dashboard. It's only this email address. Once the system identify that once you press this dashboard, and the system checks the email address and checks that it's corresponded with this one, is going to log you in to the dashboard. I can give you an example now. We can do some testings now. So let me say I go back to the normal site. Then over in the code, then I now remove I think I now remove 95 and save the code. Then here also the thing is going to be redirecting. Then I have to refresh the code, I have to refresh the page also. I have to refresh the page. So I have to refresh it. So it's compiling, and it's already compiled, finish. All right, so now once I hit slash the dashboard that we recently entered before, see what happens. Once I hit the dashboard that recently happens before, what it's going to do is that it's going to bounce me back to the home page. Have you seen it now? It bounced me back to the home page. It didn't take me directly to the dashboard page because this email address doesn't have that authorization to it. So I'm going to be adding back Harry Dustin 95, because that's my email address. Then I'm now going to reload the page. So once I reload the page, and I'm going to have access to the dashboard. So in case if you want to have access, to the dashboard, all you need to do is to enter your email address, and that email address that you entered is the only email that will be having access to the dashboard. And yeah, I made a mistake here. I went and added 95 here instead of 95 here. So I think that solved the problem. So I'll be going back to the dashboard so that you can see how the dashboard is being built. All right, so this is how the dashboard looks like. So we have total revenue, which calculates how much you make in that particular day, or in the particular, let me say, like how much you make in the whole product that you have already sold. We have total sales, how many products that I already sell, total sales in Dustin Tech Hub. And we have total products. If you notice, we only have 2 products, which was those 2 deals, and we are still going to upload another product in this showcasing project. Then we have total users, and which are practically 2. Then we have transactions. We have recent transactions from last 7 days. It's going to be showing you the bar chart. You have recent sales. So in the other page, we have customers, email address, phone number, shipping address, status, date, and amount. This is my name. You can have the customer's name, then you can have the email address, and we can have the phone number, and we can have the shipping address, and we can have success, date and amount also lined up like this. So that's it. And this is my phone number in case you want to reach out to me. And once we go over to the product, so if you notice, we already uploaded only 2 products, and we are still going to be adding more products today. Like we can add more up to 2 products today. Then if you go over to the banner pictures, those sliding pictures that was sliding in the home page. So this is it. And the 2 image, this 1 and 2, you have the power to delete one, and you can also add on a banner also. So let me show you how adding products actually works. So we are going to be adding one product today. And remember, you can actually have the power to delete any product or edit products. You can also edit a product, and you can also delete a product. Both of them works perfectly fine. So let's say we are going to be adding a new product. So let's say the product name is going to be HP EliteBook 830G8. I'll be posting it here. Then the description, I think the description means anything about the laptop, like the specifications, the model numbers, stuff like that. Then I can now copy this to here, stuff like that. Then I now paste it here. Then how much are they selling it? I think they are selling it 740k. Then I'll now write 740 thousand. I think so, yeah. Then if is it a featured product, you can toggle in to be a featured product, or you can off it not to be a featured product. So status, you can save it as draft, you can also save it as publish and archive, but once you save it in this 1 and 2, it's not going to be live on the home page, on the storefront. So I'm going to be publishing this particular product. So I'm going to be selecting the categories. So we have different types of categories. So I'm going to be selecting HP because it's a HP product. So I'm going to be uploading the file now. Alright, so this is it, and this is it, and this is it. So once I click open and upload, this is what happened. It's going to be compiling the API for uploading. And what the third-party site I'm using to storing images is uploading. We have Cloudinary, but I just prepare using uploading to upload my images, stuff like that. So, and this is where all the whole images has been stored. So, and if you notice, it was uploaded successfully. And if you go over to your terminal, you can also see that it was uploaded also successfully. Then I'm now going to create the product. All right, the product has already been created also. Then let me say I want to edit this product. I want to edit the price of this product, for example. Then if you go over to the edit, because this is how the edit works. If you go over to the edit, I need to say this laptop is 280,000, that's Nigerian currency, 280k. Then this is it. Then I'll now say is 280k. Then it's not going to be a featured product. I'm going to off it. Then I'm going to click on edit product. So it's literally going to edit the product. So this is it. So if I go back to my known site here, all I have to do is to refresh. Once I refresh, the page is going to, if you notice, I've already offed the featured product of that one. Now it's only this one that is still on. Then if you go to all laptops, if you go over to the all laptops, and yeah, this is it. So this is the product, this is the Elite book that we actually this is the Elite book that we actually uploaded. This is the laptop here. And also if you click on learn more, you're still going to see everything. Yeah, the specifications that we uploaded, and how the system is, the image of the laptop. This is how it is, guys. It's very, very cool, guys. It's very, very cool. So I'm going to be uploading I think I'm going to be uploading another one. I'm going to be uploading for Lenovo. So I have to go for Lenovo. So the product name is going to be this name, that's Lenovo E31. And if I paste it here, then the description, I'm going to be copying the description to be here. And the price is 355k, that's 355,000 in Nigerian currency. That's 355, 1 2 3 3 zeros. Then I'm going to be owning it to be a featured product. Then and also I'm going to be publishing it, and also I'm going to be selecting Lenovo for it. Then I'm going to be uploading the image to the upload thing. So this is it. I'm going to be selecting 1 and 2 and 3. Then click open, and then also I'm going to upload the image of the laptop, and it's preparing to upload. It's still preparing. All right, it's done. Right, it's done, guys. Right, it's gone, and still waiting for it. And yeah, these are the 3 images that are already uploaded. So this is everything now. If I click on create product, it's going to be creating the product. And if you go over to the back end, it's still loading, but let it load finish. So I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm using Supabase as my database and my backend also. So if you head over to your Supabase, and if you go over to the product page, you product table, you notice it here. This is it, and everything is stored with the price, with the images and all the stuff. Is it featured, is it true or false, and also the time it was created, the time it was created, and also yeah. So this is it. So once I go over to my displays and I hit all laptops, this is how the thing looks like. So wow, the product that I uploaded, yeah, this is it right here. That's Lenovo E31, then the price. And also if you click on the learn more, I don't know the reason why the images aren't coming up. I think we have network issues. Then here the images is now coming up. Then remember, if you click on the learn more, you will now see the specifications of the laptops. So all right, so let us try to purchase a product. So we are going to be purchasing a product using this account. So we are going to be purchasing a product to see how transaction is being made here. All right, and so I'm going to be purchasing this Lenovo. So this is it now. Then once I add to cart, things is going to be happening in the back end in the running server. So once I add to cart, it's still adding. I'm trying to use Reddit for my for adding to cart, so that it's going to be a little bit faster. So once I add to cart, also, and let me say I want to buy HP, then I now add to cart also. All right, still loading. Just give it time. It's gonna load, finish now. Yeah, the two already added to cart. So once I head over to the cart, like the cart where product is being made, stuff like that. All right, I'm going to be showing you guys how everything is being done here. So it's still loading. I think it's still loading. Yeah, it's compiling the bag. So this is how it is. So if I added the product 2 times, it's going to be like 2 times this amount, and if you added the product 2 to 3 times, it's going to do 2 times this amount, and this is the total amount of total. And also you can delete any product that you don't want to buy. You can also delete any product that, like this one also. Then let's say that you went and proceed to checkout. So I think I click on it here. If you proceed to checkout, it's going to be collecting your shipping information. So I'm going to be using another one. So I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be using a random email address, stuff like that. Then I'll now click on checkout. I'll not click on checkout. Then the payment gateway that I use is a Nigerian payment gateway, which is absolutely Paystack. We have Stripe, we have other international payment, but the payment gateway that I used in this project is Paystack. So, and I'm using their test mode. All right, so what happens there is that I'm going to they are testing, and this is the email address, and this is the amount to pay. Then I'm using Nigerian payment gateway, which is Paystack. We have Stripe, other international gateways, but if you want me, you can comment down in this video, and I'm going to still upload and implement other payment gateways like Stripe, Flutterwave, stuff like that. PayPal, I can do that. Then once you can decline, you can click successful. So I'm going to be clicking success. Then I'm now going to pay. All right, they told me your transactions was declined due to insufficient funds in your bank account. So I'm going to pay. Wow, insufficient funds in my bank account. I don't have any I don't have any money. Wait, but I'm gonna be using another card. All right, so I think all right, I think I have to reduce this money. I have to reduce the money. Let me go and reduce it because I think 1 point something million. I don't know what's wrong with these people, but I have to go back to I have to reduce the money. So I think I'll be deleting this one. I'll be deleting this one. So I'll click on remove. Then I'll be waiting for it. Then let's proceed to check out again. Sorry guys. All right, check out. All right, still waiting for it, but everything seems to be working perfectly fine. Yeah, and I click success. So I'm going to pay. Payment successful. Payment successful. You pay this amount to Dustin Tech Hub. Then once you pay, it's going to be loading. If you notice that it's going to be loading, and this what happened in the back end. It's going to be compiling payment success page. So it's still loading, guys. Give it time. Then it's going to bring you back to another page where it says payment successful. Have you seen it? You paid this amount. Then, and I think there was an error. I think when someone makes payment, this card is supposed to clear. but I don't know. Wait, I think if you reload the page, let me reload the page. This error, this is supposed to clear. Yeah, that's it. That's the problem. I think is when you reload the page, then this cart is going to be empty. All right, so let's head over to our dashboard to see what happens there, to see what really happens there, guys. We are heading back. And remember, like I said before, the only email address that I have access to the back end is this email address, and which you can also see here is my email address. All right, so this is it, guys. So have you noticed the money was increased, and the total sales I just made now was 7. Before it was 6. Then the products that I've already uploaded is now 4. Then if you notice, this is the recent transaction. Yeah, I think this is the money that I just paid now. Yeah, this is 3,000. This is the money that I just paid now. And so this is it. So if you pay another, so this is the revenue of the money that I paid. So, and if you go over to the orders, if you go over to order, let's see what happens there. And yeah, this is it, guys. And it was this email address with this shipping address, and it was success, the date, and also the amount that I just paid now. And as the admin, I think you'll be getting a Paystack receipt that this particular email address just paid to doesn't take up this amount, this business, and with their card, stuff like that. You'll be getting a receipt from the third party third party payment gateway you're using. So guys, and also remember, I said that you can also upload laptop banner. I think I'll be looking for a laptop banner online to use it and do the experiment, just to fulfill our righteousness. All right, I'm going to be going over. Then I think I'll be liking this one. We have orders here. But yeah,
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.